I custom made these Vans. Why are Cam's underwear in my laundry? I'm wearing this white sweatshirt with... Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to vlogmas day 19, 7:30 in the morning, and I'm about to get headed off to school. Today is finals day 2. I actually only have one final today, and that will be my science one, which I'm not too worried about, but then I have to go sit in my audio video film class for 2 hours because that would be my next period that I have a final for, but I finished that like 2 days ago. I also finished and took all my Spanish online finals, so I think I only have tomorrow's lit, and then I'm completely done. I don't think I'm going to be bringing my camera to school again though, because like I said yesterday, we have no backpacks, so all I'm bringing is my phone, my study guide, and a pencil because that's it. Welcome here. I will see you guys when I get home from school. My science final grade will probably not be put in today because she's so slow at grading. We love her though, she's a queen. So I'm gonna go head to school. Wish me luck on this, and I'll see you guys when I get back at 12:30. Hi guys, so I've been home from school for a little while now. I got home from school at 1 and it is now 3:50. And the reason I'm just now vlogging is because when I got home from school, I literally passed out, fell asleep. I was so tired. I literally just took off my socks, turned off all my lights, and went to bed. And I just woke up like 5 minutes ago. My science final was not that hard, but it was 100 multiple choice questions. And I don't know about y'all, but just sitting there and answering a bunch of multiple choice questions is the most boring thing to do in the whole world. Oh, I kind of lost focus here and there. She hasn't put the grades in yet. I feel rejuvenated now because I just took literally a 3-hour nap. I'm just gonna lay here and wake up a little bit more. I have to study for language arts tonight, and this vlog's literally 1 minute long because I just fell asleep all afternoon. Finals week is hard, but tomorrow is my last final of the entire semester. I only have one, and that will be my lit final. Oh, I took my online Spanish finals. I took all 4 of them. My multiple choice, I got an 88. My speaking, I got a 91, and my writing, I got 100. So I guess there's only 3, but that was what I got on my Spanish. Ooh. It's literally, oh my gosh, I got up too fast. Okay, sorry, that happens to me all the time. I get up too fast and I just see black, and that's like just anemia things. That's an accurate representation of what Katie getting up too fast looks like. It's 5:45 and I just now turned the lights on, and I need to do something with my life because I've literally sat in this bed for 4 hours today. I've just been so tired and so out of it. Also, I just want to take a shower because I didn't wash my hair last night and it's so crazy. I also really need to put those clothes away because they're clean. I just don't want to put them away. I wore my yellow checkered Vans today and I haven't worn them in so long. I custom made these Vans because normally the yellow checkered Vans on the site are like a really dark yellow, and I wanted like my color yellow. So I don't think they sell these because like I've never seen them before, but I customed them. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit because I posted a TikTok and a lot of people are like, where'd you get your sweatshirt? I've definitely shown it in vlogmas before, but I'll show it again. I'm still working on a new way to organize this. It's so bad right now. Like, I really want to get shelves. My dad and I are working on redoing my closets because it's just not effective. Here is finals day 2 outfit. I'm wearing this white sweatshirt with sunflowers down the sleeve. It says live a little right here, and it's from Drip Creations on Instagram. Then I'm wearing these black sweatpants, which are from Amazon. I have 5 pairs of these same exact sweatpants from Amazon, just in different colors, and I always say I'm gonna link them down below, and then I forget to link them. So they'll be in the shop what I shop link down below in the description box. You can click on that link and it'll take you exactly to all the things that I link, and I do make a little bit of money if you use that link, but trust me, it's not a lot. So if you want to buy them, they're so comfy. I think they're like 10 bucks a pair, and I highly recommend. Before I shower, we're gonna open the advent calendar, and I'm gonna do it sitting on my toilet. I love sitting on my toilet because it's like a perfect height, and I have my water bottle here that just holds it up so perfectly, and it's good lighting. But I don't even know what the date is. What's the date?
Today is Thursday, December 19th.
That's so crazy. 6 days till Christmas. Okay. Oh, gummies. I didn't know that they had these things on the back, but I guess there's only one of this kind. It says tropical fruit. Oh my gosh, that's so good. These are so much better than the regular ones. They're way more chewy. I'm gonna take a shower, and then after that, I'm gonna clean my room, edit this vlogmas, post it, and study for finals. That is the plan. Stay on. I need to make this hair not greasy anymore, so I'll see you when my hair is wet. Why are Cam's underwear in my laundry? In the middle of putting my pants away, I might have broken my drawer. Oh no. Welcome to life. something's wrong with our wash because all my shirts keep getting this blue stain on it, and I literally wore this shirt once. There's pink stains on another one of my white shirts, so I don't know what's happening because like now this is completely ruined. And it's a super cute shirt. If you guys don't know, that right back there is my box of like trash clothes or donation clothes, because I have a lot of stuff that doesn't fit anymore, or I don't wear it, or stuff like that that just gets stains that like maybe I'll be able to get out, and if not then I'll just throw it away because nobody's gonna want that. I need to go to Goodwill and take that in there. That's why that box just kind of sits there, because it's just my like giveaway, throwaway. Go, run away, run away, run away. So my camera battery died and it's charging right now, so I think I'm going to continue this vlog on my phone. It's currently 8:40 and I still haven't gotten this vlog up. I'm going to show you the final product of all my hung up clothes, and I also want to tell you guys to follow my Poshmark. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I do sell a lot of my clothes on there, and I sell them for pretty reasonable prices, and it's normally stuff I've only worn a few times or stuff I've never worn before. I'm listing this gray sweatshirt on there right now, but there's a bunch of other clothes up there if you want to go ahead and check it out. So I'm about to list this Adidas sweatshirt, and this is actually so soft on the inside, like this material. I only ever wore this once because it's a kid's large, but it fits like an adult small, and I'm an adult medium, and I like my sweatshirts like baggy and oversized, so I'm gonna be selling this. I'm also selling this like long sleeve shirt. I'm selling this printed Coke shirt from PacSun, which this fits like a small if anybody wanted to get that. I'm selling this shirt. So there's just a lot of stuff that I'm selling on there, and I think you guys would like it. So my @ is on the screen and in the description box. As you guys saw, I had a huge pile of clothes right here and it's gone. Now this is what the closet looks like, and I know my closet's a mess, but it's better than it was. I really need to find a new way to organize this because this is just not doing it for me. I have no more space for shirts anymore, and absolutely no space for sweatshirts. These are literally all sweatshirts and crew necks, and I also ran out of hangers. These are all pant hangers. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here though. Thank you guys for watching. Tomorrow's vlog is gonna be super fun because I have a big plans with my friends, and yes, it's Jamie and Avery because those are my only friends. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, literally 6 days till Christmas. Have an amazing day. Happy finals week. Happy Friday tomorrow, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace in the Middle East.